What?
It lies bad.
What did they say?
So there was a sun here and here. And there's one here and here.
Well, you asked them. And they told you the sun's in the wrong place.
No, I asked him.
Oh, the show sign? You guys are winding two on the 32. That last two.
Okay, I know these. I mean, we're gonna get them. Hey, y'all listen.
You told boss?
I ain't told him yet. You'll find out when we got the show. It is. Man, it's another extreme heat zone.
The sun's got solar flares sticking off and shit. My buddy Aiden, he says God's gonna kill all the white people with the sun. These solar flares, they're gonna heat us to death and kill us. But we gotta hurry up and build America and get these garage doors up before solar flares kill us. People need their garage doors. So hey.
What?
We can't leave yet, Gabe. It's just we're about at the fun part. Sorry, Gabe.
I've been laid out.
Got my biceps. I found out if you put all the spring and everything on the side that you put in first, it's a lot easier to put the rail up. If you do it by yourself, if you put all the weight to the side that you own your ladder with, then it's a lot easier to put that other piece over the bar. Put this piece in first.